Kalimpong Yelakai semi-final Jong Don Bosco Inter-School State Basketball Championship Arajar RPR kablalong hinin kesngi ke khalai terik unailar kala sakhi ya ke Yelakai kabait nat ba hapdeng ki khna school beper ha ka semi-final Jong under 16 girls ka Pine Mount School kala job ya ka Saint Xavier da laipo prala apun point kat ba ha ka semi-final ka ba ka Saint Mary's kala job no ya ka Saint Joseph da laipo la apun point ha ka semi-final Jong under 16 boys ka Saint Anthony's kala job no ya ka Divine Xavier dan Yopuwei la Samson point kat ba ka Servio Generate kala job no ya ka H Elias da Arpsau la Arpulai point ha ka semi-final Jongga under 19 girls ka St Paul kala job ya ka Shillong College da Arpopra la Arpson point kat ba ka St Anthony's kala job ya ka St Mary's High Secondary School da Lai Phundai la Khalai point ha ka under 19 boys ka Square Heart Boys kala job ya ka BSF da Lai Phunyo la Lai Phu point kat ba ka St Anthony's kala job ya ka Don Bosco College Tura da Phunyo la Nrupu Ar point.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.